What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow riders? In today's video, as you can see, we're in a different POV, but I just want to give you guys the most essential, or what I think is the most important hand signals to know when you're either on the road by yourself and you want to signal other riders, or if you're in a group ride. All right, I like to get straight into it. Leave a like if you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Okay, number one, a left turn. Okay, how do you signal a left turn? All right, you're gonna extend your left hand, right, and your palm is gonna be facing downward. Okay, this is you're gonna make a left turn. This is what this is signifying. Okay, a right turn. All right, your arm bent at 90 degrees. Okay, with your fist clenched. All right, your fist clenched this way with your palm facing in front of you. All right, you're signifying a right turn, right? Also using the left hand with this. Okay, if you're going to stop, right, change it the 90 degrees to the other 90 degrees and unclench your fist, right, with your palm facing towards the back of you. Okay, this is signifying you're about to make a stop. All right, slow down and speed up. Okay, pretty simple. All right, slow down. Hey, your palm is facing downwards and you're going in a down direction. All right, hey, slow it down, slow it down. All right, and speed up is the opposite. All right, if you want to signal, hey, I'm about to speed up, hey, let's pick up the pace a little bit. With your palm facing upward, you're going up and down with that as well. When it comes to hazards, and you want to point out a hazard, you got the left side and the right side of you, right? Left point, right point. For the left side, you see up ahead on this left hand, you're going to use your index finger to point where it goes, all right? Like, or point where it's at, okay? You're going to point with the hazard, you're going to use your index finger to do so. To say, hey, there's a hazard over here, right? And the right side is a little different, right? Because throttle control is really important. You want to use your right foot, okay? Just point with your right foot. Hey, there's something right there. And if you're not used to doing that, it's going to feel weird. But enough practice, you'll get it down pat without a doubt. All right, let's move on. Okay, if you want to signify to the rest of the group, hey, follow me. I want you to follow me. You're going to have your arm extended up above your head with your palm facing forward. Hey, like, hey, me, follow me. Okay, that's what that's signifying. If you want somebody else to take lead or to come around in front of you, you're gonna use your index finger on your left hand side and you're gonna point, you're gonna swing, you'll make a swing direction. Like, hey, I want you swing, I want you up here. Okay, I want you all the way up here. All right, and that's signifying, hey, come in front of me or take lead. You know what I'm saying, if you're the lead. All right, when it comes time for you guys to pull off on a certain exit, and you're the ones that got the navigations or whatever, or you know which exit to take, which ramp to take, you're gonna use your index finger. You're gonna go up over your head and point to the exit. All right, like, hey, over here, this is where we're pulling off. Over here, this is where we're pulling off. That's how you signify, hey, we're about to get off, or this is where we get off. Okay, next we're talking about formations. Okay, if you want to signify to the rest of the group, if you're the lead, hey, let's go single file. Okay, what you're gonna do is take that index finger and you're gonna hold it up above your head. Hey, I want a single file formation. All right, if you want a double file, hey, add your second finger in there like this. All right, that's if you want a double file, right? If you want your group to ride staggered, hey, this right here, incorporate your pinky in there. All right, rock on. All right, that's riding stagger. I want you to ride stagger position. When it comes to the fuel tank, you can't see my fuel tank, but obviously it's here. So you point to it. Hey, I need some fuel. All right, so just point. I need some fuel. You just point to your fuel tank. And the last one I think is pretty crucial is refreshment or brakes. Right, you want to close all the way 4 of your fingers except for your thumb. And you want to point your thumb towards your helmet or your mouth. Right? I use that for pretty much everything, like snacking, general rest, stretch, like everything in under that umbrella, right? Just, hey, I need to make a stop. You know what I'm saying? Refreshment, snacks, whatever. All right. And guys, that is my essential, like, commands or signals that I think you guys should know if you're riding in a group or even by yourself and you want to signal to other riders.